everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Peter. Welcome, Peter. Welcome. All right, guys. We had some buying markets, equity markets reversed late last week. So we had some buying that came into the markets. All right. So let's go through that. We'll look at big picture first. All right. Big picture on the equity markets. All right. Hope everyone had a great weekend. And hope you guys are ready to get back to work this week. All right. Big picture on the Dow, guys. All right. We are trading all-time highs. All right. So in all-time highs, high territory. Here's was a buy signal, right? Big week last week. All right. Started off flat, right? Had some sellers came in, but moving higher again on the weekly time frame, guys. This is on the weekly time frame. So we're in territory that we have never seen before on the Dow. All right. S&P, same thing. All right. Buyers came in strong, right? Towards the end of the week last week. So here's the S&P all-time highs on the S&P. All right. So good, amazing price action. Not just good, amazing price action in the equity markets. The NASDAQ, buy signal here on the NASDAQ. Look how close we are, guys. All right, to the all-time highs. All-time highs right here, this yellow line right here. And here we are approaching the all-time highs on the NASDAQ. All right, so the NASDAQ is following, right? Following the Dow and the S&P here, and the Russell, all-time highs all the way up here. The Russell is still struggling right here, trading between support and resistance right here, just trying to break out. But we don't need the Russell. NASDAQ, Dow, S&P, all doing well. All right, so great price action. Hopefully, you guys are taking advantage of these moves in equities. All right, you can do so with the E-minis, US 30, NAS 100, and also equity stocks. All right, let's take a look at current positions in Monster Scalper. Now, we don't have any long positions. We have a few short positions here. We will look to add positions though. All right, we did get a buy signal in the dollar index. Okay, so we're seeing moves in the dollar, and the yen pairs are stepping up again with new buy signals. We'll take a look at those. All right, so current short positions. All right, short positions in Monster Scalper. All right, EUR CHF sell short signal was here. Hey Anthony, welcome. Sell short signal was here. Green candle came in, guys. So go ahead and close this trade. EUR CHF, close this trade, please. EUR CHF, go ahead and close that trade. All right. Pound New Zealand, buy sell short signal was here. Red, white candles came in here. All right. You guys should have closed this trade a long time ago. All right. So if you were in it, if you're still in it, close that trade. And then pound Swiss give a sell signal on Friday. All right. Sell short signal was here. Buy to cover. White candles broke resistance here. Close that trade. All right. So clean things up. We'll look to add new positions this evening. All right. In Monster Scalper. All right. We do have some futures positions in Monster Futures. All right, so Monster Futures, let's take a look. Well, before we do that, almost forgot Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at what's going on here with Forex Dominator. All right, EURTRY still holding, guys, still holding. Buy signal was here. Still looking to break through resistance. All right. If you're in it, you've been very patient, just holding. Right. All green candles, no white candles, no red candles, nothing to do. just hold on for it to break that resistance there. Okay. EUR/TRY, Turkish pair. USD/TRY moving up slowly, but moving up nonetheless. Big green candle came in on both Thursday and Friday. Well, no, Friday here. This is current today. All right. EUR CZK. We did CZK. EUR CZK. All right. We saw a move, right? Nice move late last week. All right. Good price action, moving up nicely. Buy signal here. Remember, these are on the daily time frame. All right. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand buy signal here. Moving up slowly here. Here is our target right here. All right. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand. Pound PLN. All right, close this trade, guys. All right, buy signal was here. Red candles came in here on Friday. Buy signal here. Go ahead and close this trade. Pound GBP PLN. Close that trade, please. All right. All right, pound SGD, GBP SGD. Holding so far, keep an eye on it. We need buyers. Here's the buy signal here. Holding support right here. We need buyers to come back in. Right, it's got some white candles here. So we need a bounce. A bounce right here would be perfect. Start testing resistance up here. All right, here's your target right here. Pound SGD. USD CZK. All right, buy signal here. Nice price action. Nice big candle here, guys, on Friday. Here's the open here for today. Holding target is right here. Hopefully breaks out, keeps going higher. USD CZK. USD HUF, a bit of a pullback, but we got buyers to come back in here. White candle here, right? Held. Nice big candle. Buyers came in on Friday, holding here. We needed to get to resistance up here. And we've got a really good resistance here. Here. This is where sellers are sitting. Here we are here. We need to get to the target here. All right. CAD yen. CAD yen is holding. All right. In Forex dominator. Buy signal here. Holding here. All right, just needed to break through that resistance. And we've got decent resistance here. So we could see some really good follow through. Look, you see resistance here, guys. All right, so good resistance. We just need to break through. All right. And the yen pairs, you guys know last month, the yen pairs did really, really well in Monster Scalper. All right, for over 4,000 pips total. All right, so I think pound yen did about 600 pips. So hopefully, looks like they're looking to make another run. We'll take a look at those this evening. All right, monster futures. So we've got some futures going on here. Let's take a look at those monster futures. All right, this is feeder cattle. Feeder cattle. All right, feeder cattle here. All right, buy signal is on the daily time frame now. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Live cattle, good trade going on with live cattle also. Buy signal here. All right, moving up nicely. Here's the first target here. If we can get past this area here, right, perhaps we can move it, get to a second target. S&P, E-mini S&P, good trade going here, guys. Buy signal here, broke resistance all the way up here. All right, this is an amazing trade going here. It's on the daily time frame. All right, daily time frame, big trade going up here. And then lean hogs, right? Lean hogs, buy signal here, holding right here. So great trades going in monster futures. We were looking at a long trade in crude, but that failed, guys. So let's take a look at that in monster futures. Crude oil, we were looking at crude oil showed up in here quite a bit, and they've just disappeared. All right, so no longer do we have looking for crude to go long. Um, only on the short side, the only trade we have on the short side, guys, are soybeans. Now we missed this call here on the soybeans, right? We were focused on longs, right? The longs in here. But really missed this short trade here. Great short trade going in soybeans. It's the only trade we've got short. All right. Only opportunity to go short is in soybeans. But we missed this. We missed the sell short signal here. All right. The only other trade, let's see here, um, that might be setting up is treasuries. Let's see here. So the 30-year, they're not ready yet, but the 10-year is setting up, right? Previous buy signal here, right? It's trying to get to that resistance there. So just keep an eye. We'll keep an eye on treasuries. All right. We had some great shorts, but we've had some recent longs. Okay. So the 10, 30-year, 5-year note. Okay. But they're not ready yet. They're not ready yet. All right. Equities. Let's see here. Let's see if we can. We'll spend some time on equities. I think we've got some extra time to do this. We'll go through this quickly though. All right. So stock boss, current positions in stock boss, so that you guys are ready for Monday tomorrow morning. All right. So let's go through these quickly. So current positions in stock boss, we shouldn't have to remove any positions. We did. Well, the market was up on Friday, so we'll see here. But we did have some equities that were down. So let's take a look here. Note, guys, this is one we sent out. This is Anthony's trade. Anthony, great job finding this trade. We've sent it out already. So you guys, those of you looking for a trade, keep an eye on Note. Just a great trade from Anthony. All right, we'll take a look at it here. All right, and we'll go through this quickly because we need to spend some time on Forex. Okay, but we'll go through these quickly here. On Friday, during our roundtable with our traders, we talked about using stock boss more rather than options. Okay, and Anthony found this stock here, which is a great opportunity. It's a new one. We've sent it out to our traders. All right, note, guys, look at this trade. I want to show you guys this trade here. It's Note NOTE. This stock fell from about $12. All right, $12. And look at the buy signal here. All right, look at the markdown phase. So really good markdown phase. Fell from $12 to about, the buy signal came in at $1.44. All right, and good volume. Institutions are definitely buying this stock. All right. So I just want to congratulate Anthony. He's been working on this, and just an amazing stock pick that he found in Stock Boss. Okay. So we've added it. All right. Buy signal here, big candle here. First target. And if it makes it to its first target right here, which is where buyers failed before sellers came in right here, this would be the target. That's 316. So that's 100%, right? If it can get back here. The next target after that would be right here, right about anywhere in here. Let's put it here, which is $6.52. And then the next target all the way up here if it can make it. So rather than, you can always trade options, but guys, with your stock boss, these stocks are really, really cheap, right? So I know a lot of times we trade options to get a lower price, right? But you have that time element, all right, where that option can erode with The underlying, the stock itself, we don't have to worry about that. Okay. So Anthony, great job. Great job. Very proud of you for finding this stock right here in stock ball. So note that's a new position we can add tomorrow. All right. All right. So let's go through these. We'll go through this quickly. Okay. All right. LESL, that's holding. All right. LXRX, holding. Good price action. All right. Buy signal was here. All right. Holding, moving up nicely. All right. SGHT. All right. Sell signal. So buy signal was here. Broke support. Red candle. Close the trade, please. SGHT. All right. Make sure you guys clean your positions. All right. Clean them up. All right. HCAT. That's holding. STKL, really good trade going here. Buy signal all the way down here. Good markdown phase, right? Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Guys, whenever you guys see price action like this, where you've got really good yellow lines here, right? Breaking new highs, great trade to scale up, add to that position. Okay, great trade here to do that. If it can get past this area here, next resistance all the way up here. All right, all the way up here. So great trade going here. STKL. All right, this one is holding right at resistance. Keep an eye on it there. All right, holding. We just want to make sure these stocks are holding right now. We need them to hold. Market is bullish. All right. S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, all holding well. All right, this one is holding. This one is looking to break the resistance. RYAM, right? In position right here, guys. Buy signal all the way down here. All right, buy signal was at 360. All right, trading at 450, looking to break through resistance. Next target all the way up here. That's 767 there. All right, good trade going. We'll go through this quickly. We'll do our bull master tomorrow, okay? All right, this one is holding a bit of a pullback. All right, buy signal here. All right, buy signal here, pullback, white candle, but it's holding that trend line. We need buyers to come in tomorrow, right? Green candles, and start testing resistance in here. All right, you do have sellers. All right, a lot of consolidation in here, sellers in this area here, but good chance to get to this area here. At least if the market has a big update, it might even break through that resistance. All right, CYH holding nicely. All right, AMRN, right, looking to test that resistance, break the high. Nice markdown phase here. All right, so if it can break through, we have a second target. All right, buy signal here was at 84 cents, guys. 84 cents. All right. Closed on Friday, 119. Right. Looking to break through resistance here, which is 133, and then perhaps test up here. Okay. All right. Candle by candle. This one here, FULC. Buy signal was here. Got the resistance, still holding. Near-term resistance right here, looking to break through, and then ultimately looking to get all the way up here. All right, so from $4.71 to $12, hopefully it can make it all the way up there. All right. All right, RNA, that's holding. All right. Hold on. All right, RNA, buy signal here. Good markdown phase, guys. We need sellers to buy from. All right, so make sure we've got really good markdown phases. All right, especially in equities. All right, buy signal here. Buy signal came in at 770, trading at 1163. Here is our target here at $22. Okay, UIS trading really well. All right, UIS. Buy signal was at, what's that? Right around 4, trading at 668. Next target, it's gotten past first target resistance here. This is where sellers were sitting here. All right, gotten past that. Next target right here. What's that? 9 19. All right, UIS. So stay with these trades unless you get a sell signal like this. All right. So buy signal here, VIAV. Close the trade, please. Buy signal was at 8:48. Closed on Friday. Big red candle, broke support. Sell signal. Close the trade at 9:49. Close the trade, please. VIAV. All right. Let's close that. All right. ACET. All right. Buy signal here. Look at this. Good markdown phase. Good selling. Buy signal here. All right. $1.66 closed on Friday at $3. Right. Looking to get through resist. Look at that. The high here, guys, resistance. No, it gap down here. Right. It might get stopped. Right. Or slow down right about here. But even there, that's 960 all the way up here, $18. Really good price action going there. Okay. Still early in that trade. All right. That's holding. All right. This one here, ADV. White candle here, guys. I think we said to close this one. I would definitely close this one here. All right. It's basically reached. All right. So it's gotten past right here. This is where sellers were sitting. Next target is right up here. If you take a look here, right? Right here. This is where the previous buy signal closed. All right. Let's do this. Right here. We have look at that, a lot of resistance in here. And here we are right now, right here, right at that top here. So definitely, right, we don't have a red candle or sell signal, but we have a white candle here. I would say it's over for now. All right, ADV, close that trade, please. All right, and couple more for Stock Boss, and we'll take a look at Monster Scalper for Forex. All right, GRTS, close the trade, please. All right. Now, this one here, we were hoping for it to break through that resistance. Sellers are sitting here, right? Look at that. This is where they brought that price down before. Here we are. And guess what? It's coming down. Buy signal was here at 199. Trade closed 230. Just close the trade, guys. All right. It's over. It's definitely over for now. We were looking for it to get past this resistance, perhaps test here. All right. But it's, these white candles can certainly turn into red candles like it did here previously. So close the trade. GRTS. All right. Last one. NKTX. All right. Good trade going here. Right. Buy signal, guys, was at 193. All right. Closed on Friday at $9.66. So great trade going here. All green candles. All right. No white candles, no red candles, no sell signal. All right. One more chance. Right. We need this stock to make one more move to perhaps the third level here of resistance up here. This is where we've got real sellers right up here. All right. We should be able to see how quickly we got past this area here, right in here. But over here, right, we've got real sellers. So if we can make one more push, get up to about $15 right here, $15 or anywhere in here, right, we might just want to close the trade unless we see buyers really holding strong and looking to penetrate break resistance. Okay, so good trades. If you guys are still, we trimmed a lot of these positions because the markets pull back. But we'll look to add. The market is holding, so we'll look to add tomorrow. And we'll also take a look at Bullmaster stocks tomorrow. Okay, now the exciting part here. Well, all of this is exciting, right? US 30. What are we doing? And then we have time. We'll get into Monster scalper. Okay, US 30 long. All right, we've got a long position in the US 30. All right, we have a buy signal here. We waited, right? Sellers came in and then we called a buy signal right here. Now, this is a little, this is a tricky trade. Now, it made a nice move higher, pull back. All right. Right now, the futures are down. So the US 30 is down a bit. Okay, so just keep an eye on it. If it keeps a green candle, you're fine. If it gets a white candle and it gets come down right here, guys, previous resistance becomes support. So if it gets back in that area here, we might want to close the trade. Okay, but wait for your candles. So white candle, um, we'll let you know. We'll send it out if you need to close it up. But just keep an eye on it. It's been choppy in here, right? Very choppy in here. Very, very choppy. And we do have purpose, support, and resistance. So just be careful. All right. On the daily time frame, however, it's holding fine. Look at this, solid on the daily. All right. So that's our foundation, right? We're following that daily, but might still a bit rocky there on the 60 minutes. Okay. The good news, though, however, is that the NAS is holding. Also, here's the NAS, buy signal here on the NAS, holding, needs to break through. All right. So we'll pay attention to the NAS and also the S&P. All right. S&P right here. All right, hold on. Here is it. Here is it right here. S&P broke out. All right, so it looks almost identical to the US 30. Okay, but look at the price action. All right, this is your foundation. So yes, we might get some pullback, right, on that 60-minute, but that daily. Look at that daily. That's our foundation. Okay, so our US 30 traders, all right, just try to hold on as much as possible. All right, but I know this is a bit tricky here. All right, look at this. Okay, so all right, and our US 30 traders, just send me a message if you have any concerns with that trade. Okay, all right. All right, monster scalper. Let's look for some positions here. Okay, we noticed that the dollar index gave a buy signal. We've been waiting for this buy signal on the dollar index. All right. So the dollar index, guys, give a buy signal on Friday with a nice big candle here. Look here, nice big candle. Right. We've been waiting for that buy signal on the dollar. Look here, this here is not good for the US 30. All right, it's down right now. All right, the NAS and the S&P right now, but that's just right now. Okay, the dollar is up. Dollar is up right now. We have a buy signal. Okay, so let's go back to monster scalper for forex. And we have several dollar pairs giving buy signals. Okay. So the first one, USD. And right now, guys, we're about 50, I would say, but uh, uh, I would say about 60, 55 to 60% consolidating. So a lot of these pairs down here, all right, consolidating, all red. And then this is what we've got that's moving. Okay, so we're not, the market isn't trending. Forex, right? So we have reduced volatility in Forex. So just keep that in mind. All right. So here and even here, right? You guys know here it's mixed. You see here, it's mixed. So these are early moves. All right. Hopefully, right, we'll have follow through in the dollar pairs. So just keep that in mind. Trade lightly. Don't go heavy. Right. Watch the amount that you trade. Right. So we're just looking for opportunities, not ideal. Right. It is not an ideal market. Okay. All right. So just be aware of that. So USD DKK gave a buy signal. Where is it? USD DKK right here. All right, so USD DKK. All right, buy signal here. Hold on. All right, USD DKK. Forget about this. I know it's very, very choppy in here. All right, here is your markdown phase. All this right here, very, very choppy, but we're looking to get past this. It's breaking resistance. Right, here's a buy signal right here. Nice big candle. We are looking to get past this. And I know this doesn't look good here. All right, but let's focus on here. We are breaking out. Right, we're breaking out of this area here, out of this right consolidation in here, breaking out. All right, and we do have a buy signal on the dollar index. Remember that. Okay, so buy signal here, USD DKK. All right, the next one, USD NOK. All right, now you can trade all of these, so find the best ones. All right, USD NOK. All right, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. We waited, right? And it's breaking out now. Okay, so nice markdown phase. All right, forget about this. We're getting past that area here. Still good to get in. USD NOK. All right, and we've been waiting for the dollar pairs to really make a move, waiting for the dollar index to give us a buy signal. All right, USD NOK looks good. Okay. Next one, USD SEK. So we do have a rotation, guys, in the dollar pairs. Okay, USD SEK. All right, same thing here. We're getting past resistance. You guys see all that resistance here, all that resistance here, and we've got some daylight. Buy signal here. Big candle this evening, breaking out. All right. So right now we just need this to break out, and then we'll set some targets. Okay, we just need them early. Is early, right? Early in the trade, getting past this wall here. All right, resistance here, buy signal, perfect buy signal, breaking out. All right, USD SEK. The next one, USD SGD. So USD SGD, and we do have a few of them here. Okay, USD SGD. Again, here's your resistance. Right, here is your resistance here. Forget about this. I know it doesn't look good. Right, all of this right here. Right. As a matter of fact, this is what we want to see when we break out. Right. When we break out of a huge consolidation like this, huge resistance, we usually get a nice breakout. Okay, let's move this here. So buy signal here, this one here, right here, nice big candle, still good to trade. Target is up here. All right, USD SGD. Next one, USD HKD. USD HKD. Now let's find that right here. All right, USD HKD. All right, breaking out. Buy signal here, right? Breaking out. If they fail, guys, guess what? You just get a sell signal to get out, but it looked good to break out. Okay, so buy signal here. Buy signal here. Looking to break out. Forget about all of this right here. I know this doesn't look good, right? So, but we are breaking out here. All right. All right. No targets yet on this one. Next one. USD CZK. USD CZK. All right. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. All right. USD CNH. All right, USD CNH. This one here, if you did not get in, all right, don't get in. All right, unless it pulls back. It's too far gone. All right, buy signal was here. Big candle came in here on Friday. All right, moving up nicely here. All right, on the 240. So this is too late to get in. All right, this is what we would like the other pairs to do. All right, move up like this. Okay, so good price action. You could use this one as a leader, all right, a loss leader. All right, if it's moving up, the others will follow. USD CNH. We'll put a target all the way up here. But if you did not get into it, I wouldn't get into it now. All right, too far gone. Okay. All right. Couple that we're looking at: USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. Oh, look at there. Dollar Swiss. So we'll add USD CHF. USD CHF just gave a buy signal. USD CHF just gave a buy signal, and that's long in Monster Scalper. So, guys, we definitely have a rotation here, all right, in the dollar pairs. All right, so let's do this. Very, let's see here. Not a great chart, but hey, we have selling, we have a markdown phase. It's not a pretty markdown phase with all of this here, but hey, it fell from a high all the way up here. All right. And then let's just bring this in like this. And these are big candles too, so we know buyers are coming in. All right, so buy signal right here. We're bringing our resistance right here. Very funky price action. All right, but good setup, good trade anyway. Right, we know that dollar pairs are moving. Dollar Swiss will move also. All right, so we've added dollar Swiss, and then dollar CAD. We don't have a buy signal unless we should get a buy signal soon. All right, so if a buy signal come in, and this looks similar to dollar Swiss, we'll send out a buy signal. All right, so let's see here. So good setups there, good trades, potential good trades here in the dollar pairs. Okay, just waiting for. There's a good chance we'll get a buy signal anytime now in dollar CAD. Okay, let's bring this here. All right, so very good. So we've got about 10 of the dollar pairs. So we'll call it a rotation in the dollar. We need this to fill in, guys. If we can get these neutrals here to turn blue, right? These reds here to turn blue. All right. We'll call a rotation. We see it. We see the start of a rotation. Now, tricky trade here are the yen pairs. All right. Now, you guys know this, that whenever the dollar pairs are going, we would like to see that the yen pairs, Aussie and Kiwi pairs, when they're short, the dollar pairs, euro pairs, and pound pairs go long. But you guys see they're mixed right now. And sometimes the dollar pairs and the yen pairs will move. Doesn't happen a lot, but they will move in the same direction. So we do have some buy signals in the yen pairs. All right. And the yen pairs, you guys know, made some really good moves. All right. Like dollar yen right here was for the previous trade was for about this one here, 142 to 147. So that's about 500 pips right there. Here we have another buy signal. So we have to take the trade, right? So USD, JPY, we're going to call that buy signal. Okay. We never know. So, and it's a clean buy signal. It's not coming out of the markdown phase, right? So this is like a reaccumulation, all right? Reaccumulation, a continuation of the move, all right? Of the markup phase. So, and we have a few of them here. So we'll call these. So this is not a rotation. No, the dollar pairs, that's definitely a rotation. But this is an opportunity here. Okay, so USD JPY, right? Markdown phase, little markdown phase here. Pull back, let's call it that. Buy signal here, breaking out nice candles here. USD JPY. All right. The next one is SGD JPY. So Singapore dollar yen, SGD JPY. All right. Same thing here. That trade, previous trade, 108, a little over 200 pips there. Buy signal here, breaking out. Okay. So it's breaking out here. All right. Just be careful. All right. Look what happened before here. So I wouldn't go heavy. If you can always scale up once you get past this area in here, guys. Okay. And then the next one, CAD yen. All right, CAD yen, same thing here. All right, same thing here. Choppy though, but it wants to break out. All right, so you got resistance here. All right, looking to break out buy signal here. This one is a bit tricky. Dollar yen is cleaner now with the dollar yen. All right, since the dollar pairs are moving higher, dollar index, that will help the dollar yen. All right, so if you want to take advantage of that yen move, the dollar yen um, has a good setup. All right, HKDJPY. All right, same thing right here. Previous trade here, buy signal here. Right, you guys know about this trade. Great trade we did last month. HKDJPY, Hong Kong yen. Buy signal here. Sell signal was here. The break of support. Here we are with another buy signal here, breaking through resistance here. Okay, so um, 4 yen trades. Now I want to go through these just to make sure we didn't get any recent buy signals. ZAR yen, Turkish yen. Keep an eye on that Turkish yen. Okay, really good markdown phase, right? Struggled, right, to break resistance in this area here. If it breaks out, right, this could be a good trade, all right? Really good markdown phase. Look at this. All right, look at these guys. Really good markdown phase. You got pretty good support down here. So if it fails, if it gives a buy signal here, it fails, you've got really good protection. But look at your upside. All right, so the yen pairs make a move, right? So it doesn't have a buy signal yet. So we'll wait on that. All right, if it breaks out anywhere in here, we'll get a buy signal. Okay, so I know it's choppy in here, but once if we can get past this area, I mean, look at this. Smooth sailing all the way up here. All right. TRY, JPY, New Zealand yen, nothing here. Do not touch New Zealand yen, guys. There's nothing here. It's got to get past all of this here. All right. Pound yen is setting up. All right. It's pound yen. Keep an eye on pound yen. You guys know we love to trade pound yen. All right. So buy signal here, sell signal here. The previous trade, 182 to 187 for about 500 pips. And here it is right here. Just holding right here, guys. All right, holding right here, looking to break out. If it breaks out, we'll get a buy signal. We'll send that out to our monster scalper traders. Okay, so pound yen, keep an eye on it. Same thing with euro yen. All right, euro yen, same thing here. Right, we've got resistance here, green candles. Right, needs to break out for a buy signal. All right, the only other one, Aussie yen, not doing much yet. All right, Swiss yen. Swiss yen also looking to break out. Okay. Now it's been consolidating, a tight consolidation between support and resistance. You guys can see that there. Okay, no buy signal yet. We just needed to break out. That's a good opportunity there. Okay. All right. So we've seen it where doesn't happen a lot, but where the yen pairs and the dollar pairs will move together. Okay. It's not ideal. We would like to see the opposite. Okay. But you never know, right? These markets will do what they want to do. All right. So, but good opportunities. You guys should have some great opportunities, especially in the dollar. If everything holds, the dollar trade, the dollar index. Okay. And it's up. That's up pretty decent this evening, okay, with a buy signal too. The previous buy signal, if it can hold and at least get us to resistance here, right? Get us to resistance here. If it gets through here, those yen, those dollar pairs should do really, really well. And then next target all the way up here on the dollar index. Dollar is trading at 103 right now. Okay. All right. Let me see here. I think that's all we've got. Okay. What time is? Okay. We're right on track. Okay. So our US 30 traders, I know it's frustrating when it pulls back like this. Here it is right here. Just keep an eye. We could get a bounce, but the futures are down. The futures are down. Keep an eye on it. Okay. If you want to track it closely, now it's up to you guys. I mean, you can go to the smaller time frame, but that's just going to increase your anxiety. All right. So stay on the 60-minute. Watch it. If it closes on, I would say this. If it closes on a white candle, all right. If it gets below, let's do this. So we've got clear resistance, support. Let's say support is about here, right about here. If we can count further support, I mean, perhaps down here is real support. So let's do it here. But you've got near-term support here. So if it gets down in this area here, all right, and you get a white candle closed, and it closes white, okay, like here, like here, like here, you might want to close the trade. Do not wait for a red candle, all right? As long as it's a green candle, you can hold it. But if it gets below here and you get a white candle, closes white, close the trade. Just take the loss. Okay? Because what could happen, sellers could push that price all the way back down here. Okay, to support down here. Okay, so just keep that in mind. The good news is, if it holds here, then we might be fine. All right. So just keep an eye on it. All right. Overnight. You might not get a lot of sleep tonight. All right, guys. All right. That's all I've got. Equity markets. Um, we've got buy signals across the board, except for the Russell. All right. So we've moved this back to the 240 on the daily here. On the daily, still holding. Look at it. Strong buying on the daily on the Dow. All right. See right here. All right. And nothing is telling us that it's overbought right now. The Dow, nothing is showing us that it's overbought. We don't have any purple support and resistance. We have yellow support and resistance. So nothing is telling us that it's overbought. The Dow is overbought. Okay, on the daily time frame. All right, on the Dow. Same thing on the S&P. All right, and we'll be done, guys. I'm done. All right, S&P, same thing on the daily time frame. All right, look at the daily time frame. All right, all yellow candles. We're not overbought. All right, we're not overbought. On the S&P, oh my God, you guys hear that? We have a storm in Orlando. Sounds like hail. We never get hail. You guys are Anthony. Peter. Yeah, it sounds like we got hail. All right. The Nasdaq on the daily here. All right. So yellow support and resistance here. Good price action. We're not overbought. Okay, so um, very, very bullish on equities. Okay, so our US 30 traders, just be patient. I know it's not a nice thing on these pullbacks. Russell here is a bit choppy. All right, a bit choppy. We do have a sell signal, right? But the Russell, you guys know what the Russell will do what the Russell does. Okay, so very, very choppy. So we don't pay much attention to the Russell. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq. That's what we need to focus on. All right, guys. Hey, take care. Thanks for coming. All right, thanks for coming. Peter, great to see you, bud. Always great to see you. Everyone else, guys, you take care. Anthony, Solomon, you guys take care. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.